Hi everybody, welcome to True Once. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see it in your inbox, the picture and the title. And when you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive like today. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video there is a thumbs up. If you're enjoying my content, please take a second to do that for me, because that helps me grow on the YouTube platform. All right, guys, I haven't looked at anything yet. I just saw that it became live, so I sat down to film this with you guys. So let's get started. We're going to be looking at the Glam bag first, and this one you'll see on this page here. Whoops, it went somewhere else. Give me a sec. We should just be able to scroll. There we go. It says choose a product. All right, and now we have a couple of selections here. We have the first one being 1-1 Skin. As you know, that's a product that I really enjoy. The next item is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. There's a matte lipstick mini in Dead Rose. Anastasia is a fantastic brand. Another thing from Anastasia, looks like it's a lip gloss in Moon Jelly. Then from Tatcha, the brands are crazy. This is the Deep Cleanse, which is I've used and enjoyed. The next item here that is available for us to choose from is from Tarte. This is very small, but if you haven't tried the Shape Tape, this is fantastic. Bobbi Brown, another fantastic product. Her face base, really, really good. IT Cosmetics, another product that I absolutely love and recommend, is their pressed powder. Glow Recipe, another home run brand. This is their moisture cream in the banana souffle. I have not tried this one yet, but that's exciting. Then we have from Curl Keeper. I don't know this brand either, but I'm not sure about that one. The Beauty Crop, an eyeshadow primer. That would be a new one for me. Koki Cosmetics, the Soft Glow Highlighter in Heavenly. I'm starting to look into this brand. I'm excited to be able to share it with you guys. And then MOTD Cosmetics is the Perfect 10 Tapered Face Brush. That looks like a beautiful brush. Oh my God, there's more. And then there's Honey Jarrett, another fantastic, fantastic brand. I've tried a couple of their products, especially their sheet masks, really, really good. This is their cleanser. And Sand and Sky, they have a face mask, another product that I've tried and enjoyed. That is unbelievable. Oh my God, the choice is going to be so hard, guys. All right, now let's see what the choices are for the Ultimate. And hopefully that's up as well. Here we go. Okay, the choices are, wow, Milk Makeup, another brand that I am falling in love with. Everything that I've tried, I've really, really enjoyed. This is the Matcha Detoxifying Face Mask. Milk Makeup, they have another thing. They have a Kush Lip Glaze in Chronic. MAC, the cream sheens are fantastic. This color I actually got just in the Boxy pop-up. I think I paid $4 or $6 for it. And in that color. The next is from Laboratories Filaraga. I'm not sure about that one, but it looks like it's an eye cream. Then from the Cottage Greenhouse, another brand that I just started using and I'm really enjoying. This is their facial serum. Oh wow, BYROE. This is a product that we've been getting in the BoxyCharm. We got introduced to it with their essence, which we really enjoyed, and I just received a serum very similar to this, but I think it was their tomato one. This says it's bell pepper. And then the next item is This Works. It is a deep sleep pillow spray. I've already received this. There's a whole long story on this one. It's spilt in the box. They had to resend me my whole box because of it, but it smells like a very, very strong lavender, and I haven't tried it yet. And then the Do Care Mini Scoop Set, that's also really, really good. That's 3 different masks together. Wow, the selections are going to be tough for me, guys. All right, so let's now go, we're going to go into the Glam Bag Plus, because this isn't available for choice until the 2nd of the month, but the flash sale should be available in here, and it is. Okay, So let's see what is in store for us with the flash. Okay, the first items in the flash sale, just so you know, the flash sale is open for 48 hours. It ships separately and it ships for free. What does it say? And plus big savings on items you won't find in your Glam bag. That's good to know. All right, so they have the deluxe size duos. So let's start with, wow, the Murad is really, really good. This is the prepped and primed duo. And as I told you in the past, if you want to know more information, all you have to do is click on the picture and it brings you to another page and it gives you more details on the items. I'm just going to do a quick overview. So if there's anything that I've used and enjoyed, I'm going to be able to share that with you guys. So Murad, anything Murad, I have really, really enjoyed. The next items I'm not familiar with. It looks like a couple of sheet masks and something from Murad. Then from IT Cosmetics and Toli Moly, the small little container is the IT Cosmetics. The other one looks like it is the Toli Moly. IT Cosmetics, everything I really, really enjoy. There's some more IT Cosmetics. Red Earth, I'm not familiar with at all. Murad and Hey Honey is the skincare recovery duo. Hey Honey is such a fantastic brand also, and it's really high-end like Murad. So when you're seeing these two together for $5 and you want to try, this is where you go. Pearly Say, another one, fantastic, fantastic brand. Kelly C, I'm not familiar with, I'm sorry. Toli Moly and Pure Heals, both fantastic brands. These are both Korean brands, if my memory serves me correctly. Then they have from BioRace and H2O+. H2O+ is one that I've been trying and I have really been enjoying. Now here's something from Elemis. Elemis and the Skin Regime. The Skin Regime, I've been trying their essence and I'm enjoying it. Elemis, I talk highly about all the time. Sand and Sky and Duke, these are the two items that we just showed in the other ultimate bag. So here you could try one of each of those in the $5 section. Pearly Say Beauty and Seraphine Botanicals, another two fantastic brands. And I think I've tried the Pearly Say, but the Seraphine, I've only tried their eyeshadows so far. I own these masks on the other one and they're both fun and I really enjoy. The Morphe and the Firma Beauty, if it's in the $5 section, this is usually a big win because the Morphe has been full size that is in here, and we know that the brush is as well. Then we have from Pearly Say and YC Collection. Also, this BB cream, if the color is there, this is where you try. And the YC is a banana powder, which I own and enjoy. Same thing with the next one, the Koki Cosmetics. This is where I tried their concealer. And this is where you should try it. The MAC Cosmetics and Koki Cosmetics, I'm going to look at these a little deeper because anything MAC I love to be able to have the opportunity to try. Cella, this is a great quad, and that looks like the other item. I'm not familiar with that brand, but it looks like it's an eyeliner. Naked Cosmetics, Shayna B. The Naked Cosmetics is the loose powder. Eyeshadow, it is so beautiful. And the Shayna B, if you haven't tried her eyeshadows, this is a great one to try here. The Balm and Pixie, I don't have to say much. You guys know these are both great lines. These other two I'm not familiar with. This Lenny I'm not familiar with. I'm going to have to go in myself and dig a little deeper. And then Phase Zero, they say that they're eyeshadows. Here from the Balm Cosmetics, it looks like they have the same thing. Same type of combo. Sugar Cosmetics and Shayna B, same thing. There's your same type of combo. Ciate London, these little blushes are beautiful. They're very similar to, for me, the Hourglass ones. And I got them in every single color when they were available in the $3 section. And Lovecraft Beauty, another winning brand. Lottie London and Estee Cosmetics, all I can tell you is the Estee Cosmetics one, they had this last month, I think. This is a baked highlighter, and then the Lottie is just a regular highlighter, but both are really good. Pixie, I love that they're putting together Pixie and the Balm, two fantastic brands. Then next to it, they have the Real Her, which I've tried this lipstick, both. I've tried the lipstick and the lip gloss. Both are really, really good, and for $5, it's a win. The next one is Tarte. Those lip glosses are really, really nice. The Balm is a liquid lipstick, so that one, just know that. This Real Her, I have not been lucky with my last flash sale. I never received. They ended up crediting me for my entire order. And every time I order these two items, I don't get my bag. So I don't know if I'm going to even try again, but we'll see. Then from House of Makeup, it looks like they have and Law Beauty. It looks like it's a couple of nail products. This whole line looks like it has something to do with nail products. The Cake if that's their hand cream, it smells delicious. The hemp's fantastic, fantastic product. If you haven't tried hemp's lotions, you should definitely, this is the section that you do it in. And here they have an opportunity where you can get the hemp's and the cake. So that's a definite win-win. This Kinsey, I have it also, smells scrumptious. Be Clean, I'm not familiar with. Gonna have to dig a little deeper on that one. Oh, something from Sole de Janeiro and Merci Handy. Merci Handy has one of my favorite hand creams. So I'm gonna have to look at this one closer too. Then from Nanette, they have a fragrance duo. I'm not familiar with that at all. And then from Verb and Twisted Sister, these are new ones for me as well. Oh my God, there's so much new. And then Nelson J. Beverly Hills. It looks like this would be something for your hair. Then Farah, this is their, excuse me, I'm too excited. They're brushes and something from Nomad Cosmetics. If you haven't tried something from Nomad, this is a great way to try their eyeshadows. It's where I did, and they are definitely win-wins. Then from Moda Brush and Lovecraft Beauty, another great combination, and then a couple of brushes. All of these are 2 for $5, which is such a steal. Then they have some full-size deluxe products for $16. They have a couple from Dose of Colors. Like I said, click on the picture, you'll know what the colors are. And then Ciate London and Huda Beauty, also the both fantastic brands. Own both, enjoy both. Oh, if you like the foundation, here it is, and you'll be able to get it for $8, and they're teaming it up with something with Flesh. Double check the color before you click on, so make sure to go into the picture. Huda Beauty, they look like they have an eyeshadow. These Obsession eyeshadows are fantastic. And then the other product looks like it might be something from a company called Babe Lash. Then they have from Pieta by Petra. These are their sprays. This one I just received it, I think maybe 6 months ago in a kit from IPSY. I used to go to Target to pick up all of these sprays. They are $15 on their own. So to get this plus something for $16, prices there. The Balm Cosmetics and Il Maquillage, both own both, enjoy both. Here's a whole bunch of, my God, brushes, fantastic. Then from Makeup Geek and Smashbox, 2 fantastic brands, $16. Then Male Beauty and Billion Dollar Brows. I have not tried. I know, I think I own both of these, and I can't remember what my thoughts are on it. I apologize. Wonder Beauty and Shayna B, both fantastic. This mascara from Wonder Beauty is really great. It's got the curve. And then here they have the Matcha Perlissé, fantastic, and Feel. If you like roses, the Feel one is really a strong rose scent. The Duft and Doft, another fantastic brand. And this Paris Hilton, if this is her cleanser, it is really good. Then they have from Gumi and Nelson, Beverly Hills, not familiar with those. And then the next one after it, I'm not familiar either. Then they have some bundles for $24. And this looks like a full-size blush from Ofra, that full-size eyeshadow, some brushes. This looks like it's a makeup bag bundle. It's really exciting. Then they have a Skincare Heroes bundle. They have a makeup bag essentials, which looks really good also for $24. And then they have a larger one here for $35. And they're saying this is the ultimate skincare set. So we're going to have to look at that as well. All right, guys, that's it for now. I'm going to go run and do my choices. And then today, if you're not familiar, True Wants is doing their first bag launch. So if you have not, please go to www.improvinglifestyles.com. Our launch is going to be today, October 22nd at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. Hopefully you guys are already in there and checking it out by the time this video uploads. If not, this is a great reminder to tell you to check it out. We worked really hard on it, and I cannot wait to have you guys enjoy it as much as we did putting it together. All right. As always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. And I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.